Hello, there are many ways to propagate Bougainvillea. Today I will show you how to graft Bougainvillea. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Bougainvillea is a very easy flower to grow, comes in many beautiful colors, and is well cared for in large gardens. Today I will graft a Bougainvillea cutting to form a healthy seedling that can flower quickly. We must choose healthy, growing Bougainvillea branches. Trim the Bougainvillea branch you want to graft neatly. Use scissors to cut off the bark of the Bougainvillea branch at the point you want to graft. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Where I peel and cut, I apply anti-scarring medicine to keep the branches moist and prevent pests. Now we prepare the soil for grafting the Bougainvillea. I use cinnamon compost mixed with the soil for grafting. Worm castings help the soil to be loose, easy to metabolize, and rich in nutrients. To help the soil and worm castings stick together, I used Coca-Cola and mixed it well. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid, which helps produce beneficial bacteria for the graft. And I used a wet towel to cover the area where I wanted to graft, pressing firmly until the Bougainvillea branch took root and sprouted. and we need to place the Bougainvillea graft pot in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. After only 5 days, the Bougainvillea sprouted. Now I will cut the Bougainvillea stem to see if it is rooted and plant it in a new pot. The Bougainvillea cuttings have rooted well enough for me to have good seedlings. To help the plant grow well and have enough nutrients, I use organic fertilizer mixed with the soil. Loosen the soil so that the plant can grow easily. After planting the seedlings, we must always keep the soil moist by spraying water evenly throughout the Bougainvillea pot. Tomatoes are nutritious, easy to absorb, do not spread diseases, and have good metabolism. Therefore, when the plants have grown, I often use a tomato puree to water the Bougainvillea. We should add more soil to the tree to help it metabolize well and provide rich nutrients for root development and help the tree stand firmly. Very simple with my method. After a short time, you will have a beautiful pot of paper flowers, and we can admire it after tiring working days. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.